who are the people that will be involved in my stunt driving or racing case? And to get the best outcome for your stunt driving or racing charge, it's important to know these people involved in your stunt driving or racing case. So how does our court system work? First question. Our court system works like a boxing match or an MMA fight. Our court system is designed to have two people fighting it out with a referee to make sure that each side is following the rules. And that referee will also decide on the outcome of your case. So an important question is, who are the people that matter in my stunt driving or racing case? There are three important people that matter in your stunt driving or racing case. Now, let's look at important person number one, and that is you. You have been charged under the Highway Traffic Act. You are known as the defendant. You can either defend yourself or you can have a lawyer defend you. If you have a lawyer defending you, it's important to make sure that they are licensed by the Law Society in Ontario and that their license is in good standing. Important person number two, and that is the prosecutor. The prosecutor is representing the Ontario government. If your case goes to trial, then the police officer will also be an important person. They'll be asked to attend your trial to provide the evidence. Now, important person number three, the justice of the peace. The justice of the peace is the referee. The justice of the peace is the one who will decide your case's outcome, whether you're guilty or not guilty. If you are found guilty, the justice of peace will also decide on the sentence against you. And if your case does not go to trial, but is resolved by a plea agreement, then the justice of peace will need to approve the plea agreement and will be the final decision maker regarding the penalty for your stunt driving or racing charge. Now, what role does each person play in my stunt driving or racing case? Good question. These three important people have an important role in your stunt driving or racing case. First, your role. You have been charged with stunt driving or racing offense, and your job is to defend yourself against the charge. If you hire a lawyer, your lawyer's job will be to defend you. The prosecutor's role, another important role. The prosecutor is not your friend. Yes, they may be nice, they may be pleasant to deal with, but their job is not to be your friend. His or her job is to convict you of the stunt driving or racing charge. So first, the prosecutor needs to decide whether there is sufficient evidence to prove the charges against you. If there is, then the charges against you will proceed. Third important person, and that is the justice of the peace's role. He or she is the referee in your fight, and the justice of peace is not advocating for you, but they're also not advocating for the prosecutor. The justice of the peace is like a referee, like we've mentioned. The justice of peace is there to make sure that all rules are being followed by all parties. And the justice of the peace will be the one who decides whether you are guilty or not.